Welcome to the channel. And today we're talking about a car that redefines open-air grand touring with the kind of ferocity only Ferrari can deliver. The Ferrari 812 GTs. This isn't just another convertible supercar. This is the V12, front-engine legend reborn with a retractable height. And yes, it's as wild as it sounds. Let's start with the design because that's what will grab your eyes before the sound ever hits your ears. The Ferrari 812 GTS is a piece of art. Sleek lines, aggressive stance, and an unmistakable Ferrari identity that screams performance from every angle. The sculpted hood, the prominent front splitter, the muscular rear arches, all of it blends function with form. The long nose and short rear deck give it that traditional front-engine GT look. But Ferrari's wind tunnel sculpting ensures every inch is aerodynamic. Now imagine all that beauty, and then with a push of a button, the hardtop roof folds away in just 14 seconds. And it does this even while driving, up to 45 kilometers per hour. That transforms this machine from a fierce grand tourer into a full-blown open-air symphony of speed. You don't just drive the 812 GTS, you experience it, you feel it. You become part of the machine. Under that impossibly long hood sits the real masterpiece, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just raw mechanical power. It produces an eye-watering 789 horsepower and 718 Newton-meters of torque. It revs all the way to 8,900 revolutions per minute, and when it does, it doesn't just accelerate, it sings. The sound of this V12, especially with the roof down, is unlike anything else. It's operatic, it's primal, it's Ferrari. The performance numbers are staggering. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. Top speed, over 340 kilometers per hour. But what really makes the 812 GTS special is how it delivers that performance. The power delivery is immediate, linear, and brutal in the best way. There's no lag, no waiting, just throttle and go. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, always in the right gear, and makes downshifts addictive with perfectly timed blips. But it's not just about going fast in a straight line. This is a Ferrari, and it handles like one. The chassis is perfectly balanced. The four-wheeled steering system gives it agility that defies its size, and the electric power steering is precise and communicative. Ferrari's side-slip control 6.1 system manages traction and stability with uncanny intuition, letting you push the car hard while still feeling like you're in control. Driving the 812 GTS is like being inside a storm. Every input, throttle, steering, brakes, is met with immediate, fierce response. Yet, thanks to Ferrari's engineering, it remains composed, even comfortable, when you want it to. That's the magic here. It's not a trick-only monster or a soft grand tourer, it's both. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused with a cockpit. Feel, leather, carbon, fiber, aluminum, all of it handcrafted to perfection. The steering wheel has Ferrari's trademark Manettino dial to change drive modes, along with buttons for indicators, lights, and wipers. Everything right at your fingertips. The seats are snug and supportive, keeping you locked in place as the world blurs around you. You won't find a massive central touchscreen like in modern luxury cars. But that's because Ferrari doesn't want distractions. What you get instead is a digital display on either side of the tachometer, and a passenger display to show speed, gear, and RPM. It's minimal, focused, and all about driving. Let's talk about the roof. It's a two-piece aluminum hardtop that folds neatly into the rear deck, keeping the car's profile sleek and clean. Unlike many convertibles that sacrifice styling for the mechanism, the 812 GTs look stunning both with the roof up and down. And because it's a hardtop, you get better insulation from noise and weather when it's closed, making it more practical for daily use. Now, this kind of performance and craftsmanship doesn't come cheap. The Ferrari 812 GTS is a rare breed, a flagship open-top V12 Ferrari, the first of its kind since the 1969 365 GTS for Daytona Spider. It carries a legacy and represents the peak of Ferrari's GT lineup. And while it's expensive, those who can afford it aren't just buying a car, they're buying history, heritage, and an experience few can match. And let's not forget the exclusivity. Ferrari doesn't flood the market with these. Each one is meticulously built, often tailored to the customer's desires with bespoke options, custom interiors, unique paint colors, and carbon fiber accents. Owning an 812 GTS isn't just about driving fast, it's about being part of a tradition that stretches back decades, to the very soul of Ferrari. On the road, the 812 GTS is commanding. It turns heads, stops conversations, and demands attention. Whether you're cruising along the coast, carving through mountain passes, or just pulling into a car meet, it's the kind of car that reminds everyone what a real supercar looks and sounds like. But it's not just a car you drive.